Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Yo, turn that shit off. You got a new sponsor today. Everybody.
It's me, bitch. I'm the sponsor. Without me, you wouldn't have none of this shit. I'm just playing. People gonna take that serious and be like, oh my god, he's one of those guys. I'm just joking, bro. But shout out to my dog Eric over at Action Close for sponsoring my dog Chris. I got you for the YouTube.
My dog, you feel me? Anyways,
Part of the Action Close family.
we gonna get the unboxing these.
A tripod or like a small thing.
Call it what?
Joey pod or some shit.
Damn, what? Eric packed the fuck out of this shit.
Facts.
Do not mess up my daughter's bike, yo. Of course you're gonna get mad, bro. You know my daughter Puerto Rican?
She gonna be hell when you get older, bro. Puerto Rican, I can't deal, bro.
You can't deal with nothing if you're single. Fuck that, yo.
That's fucking facts.
Slick.
Nah, bro, just unbox it.
Just unbox it, bro.
Unbox it, show everything, and then when you're done unboxing it, then you start a new clip and just showing people.
It's recording right now, but I ain't even finna edit that shit. We just do that.
What you mean you doing just unbox? No time lapse?
No, ain't no time lapse, bro.
So you tell me you just gonna throw that shit up like that?
Just like this, bro.
Nah, bro, you gotta time lapse it.
I'm not time lapsing
Bro,
this,
if you
bro.
time lapse it with music, and then the next clip, it would just show what you got. Come on, bro. I'm giving you the secrets. People will pay me to mentor them to be a YouTuber.
First off, now mentor me to be no type of fish.
Galtor you. I will Galtor you.
Alright.
And then, you know what I mean?
Anyways, bitch shout out. Damn, no,
You
fuck
said
up.
bitch shout out.
Yeah,
Man,
I'm
just
gonna
time lapse this shit, bruh.
That bitch already moved, bro. I'm gonna time lapse it, bro. Here's what we got. Stage 3, 6 pluck.
Puck, bitch.
I said it right. Pluck.
Puck.
Pluck.
Puck.
Pluck.
There's no L.
That's the way me pronounce it, man. Yo, pluck. 6
Puck.
pluck.
6 puck club.
6
It's
pluck.
not a chicken, Fred.
Yo, man, you top pluck. Bomba clad. Pluck.
Puck. 6 puck
Go
clutch.
chuck off in our one leg and low me alone, yo. It's called pluck.
Alright.
Right?
Alrighty.
Pluck. Bomba clad. With a 10-pound lightning flywheel. Yo, bro. That bit look fresh, dog.
That's one I got too. Shit nice.
Damn.
Yeah. Wait, what pound is that?
I think it's a 10-pound.
Oh yeah, it's yeah, the lighter the better when it comes to automotive. So when you go boost on something.
That's why I ain't get the 7.5. I thought that would have been a little bit too light. Yeah.
We would have been running to the damn.
That would have been too light, bro. The pressure plate. And some appeal. Banner for the garage. Oh yeah. Big shout out to Eric. Big shout out to Matt. I do have a discount code for you guys. Use the code EGK.
Yeah, use code Zosh for,
use bro, what's that? Oh, you got 10? Use the
I got
code.
15.
Alright, bitch.
Nah, I got 20.
Shut up, bro.
Alright.
Use the code EGK15 to save 15% off.
That's too long. Use code Zosh, bruh.
How is that too long?
They
EGK15.
can't remember
Yo,
that.
lock your blood clot mouth, dog. Use the code EGK15. I leave it down below.
I
Any
get 20% it off.
Mario, me don't care if you get 100 blood clot, 22%.
That's free.
That's a lot. Anyways, EGK 15. Save yourself 15% off. Josh code fucking shit expired. Anyways, like I said, big shout out to Eric. Big shout out to Matt. Make sure you guys follow their IG. One of the best clutches you can buy.
Fact.
Bro, what is you doing, bro?
Huh?
Why are you chopping your nails, bro? Now you got your fingernail clips all over my floor,
Hey.
bro.
You can sell them shit to at least somebody buying. Josh fingernail clips for like $1 plus shipping. $2, bruh. You sleep.
The whole time I wasn't recording.
Dead ass?
Dead ass, bro.
I knew that shit wasn't recording. Well, Fred wasn't recording, but I got the flywheel on. I mean, it's only 8 bolts, I think. 7 or 8 bolts. So that's really what we started with. Now I'm gonna put on the action clutch stage 3. You know the vibes, bro? You know the fucking vibes?
You ate all of it? I don't know. Anyways, gearbox is on the motor with the Downstar hardware. We lit. All right, so fuel system is done. I didn't record it. My bad. I had to make my phone charge, but this is a hybrid racing fuel tuck or EGDC. Basically just cut off the hard line, run it there. Same thing with the return, drill, mount it, and then it feeds through the center of the fuel rail down to the side right here and over. But I'm about to put the motor in right now. Put you on a wide angle. There we go. So I'm gonna jack it up a little bit so we can clear the gearbox, and I'm gonna mount it.
got one more mount left, bitch. I hope this whole line up, bro. I'm telling you, this shit right here is trash.
It's me. I do that bitch like it's lean, though, bitch.
It is lean. Bitch ain't got a mount.
No, I'm talking about lean like the one side.
It ain't got a fucking mount. Once you tighten, it's gonna like straighten up.
Yeah.
You fucking idiot.
I mean, not like this now, but no, I'm saying right here. My bad.
Oh, you got a line in this? Come on, man.
There you go.
Andrea.
Ew.
Pay swap is in. For some reason, my iPhone storage got full, and it stopped the video midway.
Funny enough, I be thinking people be lying when they say that, but it be real shit. Like, you like, oh, I didn't film it. I lied about that before. I was like, I didn't want to film something. I was like,
You just lied, bro. We know that, bro.
hey, I be lying sometimes to y'all, but not all the time. It's like it's a promiscuous thing I got going on. My therapist said I shouldn't be lying, but I was like, fuck
Nigga, you can't afford no damn therapist. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. And nigga go on YouTube. Nigga go on YouTube. How can I be a better person?
So the keynote is,
The
are you a
fuck?
good person to start up with? I guess. I mean, I don't fucking know.
Anyways, bro, swap is in. The Bade did not get scratched, thank God. Cause I ain't cover up shit. But yeah, there she go.
All right.
I think the reason why I got full, because I wasn't time lapsing. I was just recording.
So you
Yeah, you should have time lapsed.
Yeah, bro.
Now you're going to have to sit there and edit
I
it.
record full and edit.
Well, I gotta cut out half the shit you said, bitch. All right, so motor is finally in. It's all set up. Fuel is all done. The hybrid action clutch. Tired, man. Tired. My boy Percy did a good job, bro. I'm proud of you, man.
Thanks, bro.
Proud of you. I want to give a big shout out to everybody. My sponsors, Percy, the homies, Vince came through. Motors in the car. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. So that's gonna be a wrap for today. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And for those who keep disliking the video and talking to the fuckery, a suck on the blood clot mama. Peace.